as you all can see, I have made all the anatomical landmarks like right and left clavicle, sternum, mid-clavicular lines and mid-sternal line. Now firstly we'll be beginning with the cardiac auscultation. So for cardiac auscultation, on the right side we have aortic area. Aortic area is located in the second intercostal space. So first we will auscultate the aortic area. After auscultating the aortic area, we will move to the left side, which is the pulmonic area in the second intercostal space. Third is the Erb's point, which is also located on the left side, but is in the third intercostal space. The fourth point is the tricuspid area, which is also located on the left side, but is near to the sternal border. And lastly, we have mitral area, which is located in the fifth intercostal space in the left side.